What a headache. I have goodies! Jeez, why can't I just enter in a normal way? Got back from a breakfast meeting. I am beat, have some meetings later. But before then, Anna has to take photos of our new strap, the Quint. And we have a watch here from Undone to review. Let's see if it's any good. Basecamp looks cool. Matte dial's really nice. I happen to love faux patina. Date placement doesn't bother my eyes at all. I love where they brand the watches below the 6, red writing, and my favorite, the orange hour hand. Reminds me, of course, of a classic Rolex Explorer 2 60 and 55. We'll do an official review on it soon, but first impressions are positive. I've been a big fan of Michael Young and Barry and the whole Undone team for a while. Michael Young is the founder of Classic Watch Repair, which is a super well-respected and admired repair facility in Hong Kong, specializing in vintage Rolex. And Undone, his passion project, is a micro-brand. Good job, guys. Review coming soon. And I'm gonna change, and then I will see you on the train.
Let's go.
Headed into the city of York. New. What? So we're recording with Denis Fraison, a couple of videos, I think 2 videos. I'm really excited, going to introduce one of his partners, Salva, a good friend of ours at TNH, to the program and the partnership with Denis Fraison. Anna and I are going to split up. Anna's going to continue editing the website, and I have a client meeting with a watch geek that came all the way up from DC. Let's do it. Transferring that transfer flow.
We love that transfer flow.
Entrepreneurship.
The hustle, the grind. We are at the Canal Street station walking to Denis Fraison. Anyways, commute was hell, but now we're here.
It's such a nice GMT. Oh my god.
But they was offered a much more price. Perché poi lo vedo in italiano.
Di pap, di macaroni, lasagna, Sofia Loren. Speak Italian.
Ciao bello.
Just wrapped up drinks with my client, actually. He convinced me to go on over and have dinner now, so I'm gonna do that. But due to the nature of the products we sell, being luxury watches, expensive things that no one technically needs, I end up meeting with people, clients, who are quite successful and have amazing insight into business. Usually the businesses that they grew themselves. So I have learned more from the clients than I have than most institutions that have been paid to educate me. It's unbelievable. That's really one of my favorite parts of this job. Total luck, I ran into Rolly in Manhattan. Rolly, say hi.
What's up, Watch fan?
Off to a new bar! Woo! Client meetings done. Sales have been made. And now I, like every great warrior, has to trek his way back into New Jersey. So I will. No fucking idea which button to click. Woo! It's about 1:30 in the morning in an Uber now and going to go to Halal Guys real quick because I am motherfucking starving. It's 11 o'clock. I just woke up. Client meeting went super well, but I got, I had a lot of fun, and comes to the territory. Well, listen, when clients want to have fun, you have fun. Client wants to have absinthe, you have absinthe. Client wants to drink bourbon off of the floor, you get on your knees. Anyway, let's rock and roll.